up guys, and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank. As you can see, got the new camera finally, so I'm not going to be looking over there when I'm talking to you and looking here when I'm playing. It's all going to be here now. So, and the quality is a lot better as well, which is pretty good. So anyway, back to Ratchet and Clank. I cannot remember what I did last. I know I faced a big boss, but I couldn't remember what was coming up, so it's going to be new for you and for me. So let's get straight back into where we was. Right, I am now Clank. Okay, I don't remember being Clank, but we are Clank. Okay, let's go. Wait, what weapons has he got? Has he got any weapons? He has no weapons, so I can just hit. Okay. He can't hover. He's just pretty basic, to be honest. And I keep forgetting you're there. I'm gonna keep looking over there when I go to talk to you lot, so I need to get used to that. Alright, so where are we going? I'm guessing. Oh. Why is it telling me to press square? Oh, I see. Okay, that makes sense. I'm stuck. What the hell just happened? I got stuck.
What is that?
What is that?
How fortuitous. It is a Gadgetbot upgrade chip.
Okay, so I'm guessing I can upgrade.
My upgrade should allow me to reprogram these Gadgetbots.
How you doing out there, Clank?
I just picked up a new gadget.
How do I use it?
And what'd you get? You know you have to share whatever you found.
I think I will save these for me. Thank you. But there is still a prototype device nearby. I will collect it for you.
Oh, fine.
Where am I going? Is it this? Nope. Nope, nothing to do with that. Where am I going? Why am I back out? Nope. Oh, I see. So that powers things up. Okay, I guess I can take it. Right, okay. Getting somewhere. I thought I was going to be stuck there for a while. Cool. He built his bridges. Alright, we're getting somewhere. I just looked up there again. We are getting somewhere. Right, so electric one. This one's a bridge. That's cool. Green is what's green? It's another bridge one. It's green. Green does what? Oh, it needs to be there. I need to take this bridge one with me. No, I can't. What am I doing? Where's this one gone?
Oh dear. That was unfortunate.
Oops. Oh, I can. Okay, I can change it.
My upgrade should allow me to reprogram these Gadgetbots.
Sweet. Alright, I get it. I can change whatever it is to what I want. So now I need a power one. Now I need need to go all the way back to pick this. No, because then the door's shut. Okay, maybe I need to go over there. Bring it on, frogs.
That was impressive.
That's pretty cool, to be fair. Right. Now this guy. What do you want to do?
My upgrade should allow me to reprogram these gadgets.
Yeah, I know, I heard you. No, stop. Stop. Off of.
There must be a gadget around here somewhere.
Sorry, mate. Let me strike you off. Alright, so if we go back here. Okay. Build a bridge. I need to change it here. Okay. Build a bridge. Take this one back. Change this to power. And then this opens. Cool. Alright, this is going to be quite annoying, I can already tell.
Quite the puzzle.
I can already see I don't need that, I need that. Let's chuck it. So I just need this little guy for some reason. Let's change him to the power. This guy. It needs to be changed to the power. Both need to be powered. Okay, so power that, keep this open while I get this one. This is some long process. Power that one. Power that. That. Power that. And we'll throw it.
Ah, there they are.
How's this? Boots!
Come in, Ratchet. I just located a pair of Magna boots. Returning to your position now.
Awesome. I always wanted a pair of Magna boots. Good work, pal. See you in a bit.
Magnum.
Too puny to wear the Magna boots himself, Clank returned them to Ratchet.
Okay, so what are they going to do? Okay, there's only one more thing I can help. What do the Magna boots do? That's what I want to know. Can I make any upgrades?
Think about upgrading your pixelizer, huh?
Alright. I'll upgrade the pixelizer. If that's what you want me to do. What should I get?
Oh, wicked. Now you're almost too powerful.
Thanks. Right, I want to upgrade this. Yes, what's this do? Okay. So into ship. What? Where are we going to next?
Let's pick a new planet. I think we need to keep searching the station here.
Right, I still need to apparently search for some sort of weapon here. So let's go. Nothing there. That's Clank's place. So let's go over here.
Hey!
Left or right? I'm not gonna look, I'm not looking, I'm not looking, I'm not looking, whatever I'm closest to I'll go to. Okay. Couldn't even go that way anyway. What an absolute waste of time that was. Right, where are we going? Where are we going? Where was that?
Ratchet, look out!
Stay away. Anything? Oh, because I went that way, and now I need to go this way. Okay, I remember now. Okay, whenever I did this before, I did like an automatic thing. So that can charge that. That can charge that. No. That does that. That does that. Okay.
You're doing great, Ratchet. Keep going.
Yeah, monies, give me monies.
Out of bounds.
Oh, is this a Rhino card? I'm hoping it's a Rhino card. Is that it? Is that all I needed? What's the objectives? There's no... Ah, okay. I still need to search it. Where haven't I been? Ow! Well, I haven't been down there. Oh, card. Okay. Is that a Rhino one? Hope so. Objective, was that all I needed? No. Ow. Let's go see what else we can find. What other weapon were we even looking for? I did say weapon, right? Search. Oh, it's option. Should I do the optional ones? No, let's get on with the main mission and we'll decide whether to do the optional ones after. I just want to get through the game. I'm not too worried about that. What's faster? That or that?
Ratchet, look out!
Oh, right. Let's go.
ready to fly, just need some coordinates.
Alright, collect all rhino things is optional as well, so...
To do on Rilgar.
Fight the blob. Alright, let's go here. Let's go do whatever this is. We'll do the optional ones after. And I keep looking up there. I apologise. By the way, Danny received his PC today, so hopefully he'll be getting some gameplay up soon of other games. So yeah.
Alright, let's go find you a new jetpack.
Ratchet dreamed of riding that grind rail, which he will do as soon as he finds some grind boots.
Why did that hurt? Before I picked up these boots.
Nefarious has built quite the operation here.
You're not kidding. Let's check this place out and see what we can find.
What the hell are these things? Whoa, they got shields now. They got shields and machine guns, holy crap. There's only one thing for it. Dance. Oh, I can use it. So I'm going. Screw you.
Ratchet, perhaps the turret could help blast through that door.
Perhaps it could. Oh my god, bless me. Right, what door are we going through? This one. Right?
Great. Reinforced door. Why does everything have to be made of dense alloy?
We got through it easy. Ah! Where'd you come from? Whoa!
It's our job to take you out.
Piece of piss. Ah! Whoa! 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 No.
Because you're never, ever leaving!
What happens when you make the flying ones dance? God. Ow. Kind of not liking these enemies. They take quite a lot of. Take quite a lot of damage. Yeah. The pixelizer's been upgraded quite a lot. Oh, 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 oh. Whew. Okay. I'm guessing I see the same thing.
Quit shooting my doors! Those are custom made, you know?
Oh, holy! I wasn't expecting these, holy crap. Let's go with this. I'm gonna sneeze again. Oh no, I'm not. Oh. I should start using that little guy again. Right. Let's go. Just in case. Well, that was easy.
Mr. Zircon is here.
Mr. Zircon is here.
Mr. Zircon.
Jeez, little man, can't be asked to deal with these things. Don't mind it.
Then those frightening section and annihilate
Ow!
my patience!
God. God. This pixelizer's too good. Ow. Need another one of these. Let's go, let's go. Let's go with this. What shit? Oh, I didn't see the guy in the turret at the end. Damn it. Alright, let's go. Oh. 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 Ow! Oh my god. Piss off. I'm gonna die again. No.
Little by little. The dead little aliens.
Come on, run. Okay, don't run.